Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have some cases for your iPhone 16 Pro. I'm not going to do a video or a review with the cases, not because I just have a dummy phone, but I wanted to go over some of my top contenders, some of the cases I know I'm going to use, get it going. If you haven't picked up some cases yet, you might want to pick up some of these cases here. The iPhone 16 series phone will be releasing Friday on the 20th, so in about 5 or 6 days when I'm making this video. In this video, I'm gonna just give you some of the favorite cases I use for the iPhones and even some of the Galaxy phones out there. This is just a dummy unit. I might slip the case on this phone just so we can get a look of it. I will be reviewing each case individually once I get the phone. I just want to go over some of the top ones I've been getting Enzo for. I'm going to start off heavy duty. You can never go wrong with Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro Mag Series case here. This is a heavy duty, one of my go-to cases that if I want some protection, I'm going to go ahead and use this case. This one actually comes with the MagSafe ring, but it also acts like a kickstand. You have some great camera protection. You have a built-in screen protector, which they even give you instructions on how to remove it. You also have the little button for your charging port down there. The camera action button or the camera button is a big cutout down there. You have the power button, I believe, is ridged. And then you have your vine rockers and then the action button. So go-to case for me for heavy duty is the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro Mag Series case. I mean, just look at it. But yeah, definitely one of my go-to cases. The next one would be the Mous Limitless 5.0. They have many different designs. This is leather, but they have like carbon fiber. They have all kind of different materials you can get on the back of this. This Mous case is becoming one of my favorite cases to use no matter what phone, especially the S24 Ultra too. The thing I like about it has the shock absorption little things in the inside, all the way around the corners too. Their action button, or their camera button here, you can see on this little dummy unit, it's totally cut out. And then you have the power button there. You get some camera protection there too. Now, one thing that Mous has done that we all like is they gave you some grip on the sides. So, not so much on this side anymore because the camera button, this is where the grip will be, but you have some grip there. You have the felt material on the inside. And you have a lot of room for the cutouts too. So this is one of my go-to cases for my everyday use. I like using this case for everyday use there. You have the little logo. So this is another one that I would highly recommend having in your arsenal. If you're picking up the iPhone series, let me know what phone you're getting. Let me know, are you getting the Pro, the Pro Max, or even the iPhone. They have these cases, these two cases here in the iPhone Pro Max. So if you are getting a Max, you can get these two cases too. The other one of my favorites, is the Spigen Enzo carbon fiber case here, aramid fiber. I love the inside on here. It has the MagSafe in there. Look, it says MagFit. Their little camera button is a cutout. There, I like the power button there. The one thing they could do is add some grip. So with this one, you can see the camera cutout or the camera button. So you have a lot of room there. But this Enzo from Spigen is becoming one of my go-to cases too. I have it for my Pixel 9 Pro and I do love it. So you do have the little logo there too, but I love the inside. It says Aero Core. It's very soft, so it's not going to scratch up your iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max. I love the silver accents on these cases too. So definitely the Enzo is another case that you probably want to have in your arsenal when you're thinking about picking up some cases. The next case, one of my go-to cases and highly contended case here, is the Benks Armor Pro case. Again, MagSafe in there. It's built with Kevlar. As a theme, you can see I like carbon fiber, aramid fiber cases, but this one is definitely a one that you want to pick up too. The only complaint I have about those is that you want some more grip on the sides, but the camera cutout, again, is there. You have a little indentation on the cases too. So this one from Benks is another one that I have been using for a while now. The cutouts are good too. I just like the grip and the whole of it. The camera cutouts. You have a little logo there. And yes, you can get this from Benks. You can get this for the iPhone 16 Pro Max too. So in my reviews, when I review these cases individually, I will be testing out the MagSafe capabilities on there and seeing how strong these magnets are. I'm not just going to do that right now, and this is not like a review video. I just want to give you some of my early top contenders in the case game for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. Another go-to is UAG. This is the UAG Monarch Pro. This is made with Kevlar too. I love this case. I love the size of it. Now this one is for the Pro Max, but again, if you're picking up the Pro, you will have one for the Pro too. Their camera button cutout is there. You have a lot of room for your camera cutout there too. You always never have a problem with the cutouts with the UAG case. The corner protections are sick on this one too. You have the little honeycomb pattern here. Gives you a little bit grip. Don't worry, I will check out the buttons, how easy it is to get to everything in the reviews coming up soon. So stay tuned to the channel. I do have some coming for the iPhone 16 Pro. But UAG is one of my go-tos too. So let's wrap up this video. I have one more case that I highly recommend, and it's from a company I already mentioned too, is this one, the Benks Armor Air case. I love this green color now. This is the minimalistic case. This is the one that you want to use every single day. And if you don't want a case to feel like a case on your phone, then this is the one that you want to pick up. Now that camera little button thing here is just wide open, just like the power button is, and just like the volume rockers and the little action button. Everything lines up at the bottom there. Camera cutouts look good. So again, this one is like my everyday case. Stay tuned. I have some more cases that haven't came in yet that will run with this one too, like Pataka cases. So these are just some of the cases I highly recommend that you pick up when you get your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max. I don't know. Y'all let me know which one was your favorite, or which ones do you normally use. Do you use any of these? Please let me know. I love this one for the protection, but these are all great in their own way. Again, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned to the channel. I will review each of these cases individually once I get the phone. If you want to pick up these cases early, I will have the links in the description. That way you can pick up these cases early for your iPhone 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max, whatever you get. Follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.